What's up, Eddie Mafia, and welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Ashley Deshaun, and I'm back at it. And in today's video, I'm coming to you guys with another hair video. And as you guys can basically tell, I have in kinky curly hair. I really don't do kinky curly hair sometimes because I just feel as though that it's just a little bit too coarse for me. But this looks like it has a mixture of like kinky and curly at the same time. Well, that makes, well, duh, it's kinky curly, but I kind of see more of the curly than I see the kinky, and that's what I like, because I feel like when you go and you buy like kinky hair, it looks a little bit nappy sometimes, and I feel like that's probably because it's not really 100% virgin hair, and I feel like that's something that you guys need to start looking for. Let's just go ahead and get into the shipping. Before I do that, I want you guys to check out the links down below inside the description box so that you guys can check out any promotions, any sales, any discount codes and stuff like that, because I know that the holidays is coming up, and I know that you guys are wanting to shop for yourselves and wanting to shop for family members, and I feel like you guys should save, and I know I love a good save, so make sure you check that out down below. But yeah, so the shipping only took like 4 business days. Right now it is the busy season for a lot of companies, so of course you may or may not get your hair exactly when you want it. Not meaning like, oh, you're gonna get it like weeks after you order it, but mainly it would probably be like 2 days, like a 2-day delay or like a 1-day delay. You have to kind of pay attention to the fine print when you are ordering as well, so that you don't get things mistaken and stuff like that. The texture of the hair, it feels extremely soft. It's very flowy, and that's something I like as well. I really don't have to put too much water on this hair because I feel like when you do that, it kind of takes away from the kinkiness. So if you want it to look like this, I would say just add like probably like some oils to it, or if you want, you can add some mousse to it, but you got to make sure that you get the proper mousse, because some mousse kind of like hardens the hair and make it a little bit rough, and it will start to look rough. You know what I'm saying? Especially right now, since the sun is out, it's kind of like breezy outside. You really don't have to do too much with this, but yeah. The hair is 22 inches, so as I'm pulling it, of course it gets longer, but when it's curly, it does shrink up. Just like they say, shrinkage is extremely crazy, especially when it comes to curly wigs. If you guys want something that's a little bit longer, you might want to try to get something that will possibly come down here. If you want like kinky curl that comes down here, you will probably need to get like 24 or something like that. If you want the 24 look, you might want to get like a 28. So make sure that you guys are paying attention to that. And if you look at, you know, the neck to the head ratio, that can also help you to determine whether hair is gonna appear short or long on you, because I've noticed on some girls, like their shoulders are a little bit up, or it'll be too down, you know, too like kind of like pushed down, if that makes sense, and it'll make it seem like the wig is shorter than it appears or longer than it appears. The hair doesn't shed. I haven't really ran my fingers through it because I don't really believe in running my hands or my fingers through this sort of hair texture, because I just feel like that's kind of crazy to do that, especially when you've already tamed it and you've already placed it on your head in a specific way, because it just doesn't work out in your favor. It'll start looking really nappy and really puffy. So I would suggest that you not do that. The products that I would use on this, if I am washing my hair or anything like that, I would use like Tresemme. I think Tresemme is really good. I also spray this on my hair sometimes, and when I do install my hair or wigs like this, I like to use this right here. Is basically something that's very lightweight, as well as the actual glue. Well, this is basically gel, but it basically acts as though it's a glue. I like to use this because I know for a fact, oh my god, my eyes are watering, it doesn't rip my hair out like other stuff does, and this is something that I can control. If I wanted to just have my wig slip off my head, I could just apply water and go with this and be perfectly fine. But in most cases, when dealing with stuff like that, you have to be extremely careful. But I haven't also tried to curl this hair or flat iron this hair. If I do, I feel like it probably would like damage the hair, if that makes sense, because right now is not the season to be doing that to curly hair. Like if you get curly hair, just keep it curly. If you get straight hair, just keep it straight. You know what I'm saying? Because sometimes I be trying to like do all this extra stuff, and you don't necessarily have to do that. and I don't really necessarily feel like it matters, you know. So if you want to have this look and look really, really beautiful, then I would suggest you guys do this. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe, and make sure that you guys are saving by basically applying any discount codes that I give you. Anything that may help you, I will have it down below so that you guys can save, and you guys are kind of like returning customers and stuff like that, because I know exactly how it is in this hair game to try to go and look for some hair around this time of the year, especially since everything's gonna be in fast pace for the next like 2 to 3 months. So yeah, I'm just want to make sure that you guys are okay. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and once you subscribe, turn on that black bell so you guys get a notification which I post, and I'll see you guys in my next video.